Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're going to bring in a USB microphone. It's called an MXL AC-44 model. We're going to take a look at it and see how well it works. We're going to test it out with noise cancellation, surrounding, see how well it works if people are around you, and if it's even worth it. It's perfect for those opportunities that you guys are doing Zoom calls, team calls. This might be the solutions for you. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you purchase some of this. So first of all, they give you a nice little compact microphone, and it looks like a really solid microphone. If you guys can see it, let me go ahead and unlock this part. All right, so this is pretty much what you get. You get a sticker. All right, they give you a cautions. They start with the cautions. It says this is a condensed mic. It's very sensitive to moisture. For close vocals, use MXL stronger recommendations. All right. A pop filter, so this cannot be for somebody that's going to be spitting at it all the time, or it's going to damage it. So just make sure that you're aware of that part. All right, and then they give you information how to set it up, a quick start guide. Very simple. It's just a plug and play type C. It's going to pretty much plug and play in every single system that you have compatible that has a USB 3.0 and a type or a type C connection. You could do type C to type C, but this one comes with only one conversion, the 3.0 to the type C. And then they give you the actual card that tells you it's a 1-year warranty. So just to be aware, they give you the warranty off the bat. And then they give you the double-sided tape. If you want to place this fixture somewhere fixed, this is a smooth surface in the back that it could be any kind of desk, or it won't scratch it out. Just to let you know, this is very heavy, and it does have an auxiliary out and a USB. This is where you actually come in. Okay, so you go ahead, plug in your headsets in here so you could hear yourself. If you want to double back on yourself, you could do that. USB. Let's go ahead and plug it in, man. I just want to plug it in, see, and test it out. So the cable itself, it's a little long. Let's see how long they give you the cable. Wow, the cable's a little long. They give you actually probably like 6 feet, somewhere around there, 5 to 6 feet, pretty long connection. Very simple. This is a little heavy. It's a little weight. And if you guys can see it, nice little details on it. I love how it looks. I like how it looks. And USB, it says USB on there. You just plug it in here, and you're pretty much ready to go. You plug it into your computer, it automatically pick up. We're going to go ahead and do that in a bit and start testing it out and see how well it captures this stuff. All right, so we're going to go ahead and test it out. And if you can see, this is the microphone, and right now I'm speaking right in front of it. But if I've twisted to a side, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. I'm going to twist it to the other side, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Center, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Overhead, 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So pretty much we're going to set it up on the side, and we're going to play some audio all around it, see if it can capture it. So we're going to start with the audio first. So we're going to do an audio on a telephone and with a video of people talking pretty much. So if I'm talking and I have background noise, that's on the left hand side, right, on my end. We're going to put it on the right hand side now. And we're going to be talking around it. So sometimes it's pretty loud. And I'm going to put it right in front of me. But I hope you can hear it even if I'm running the crowd noise. Sometimes you can't, sometimes you could. So hopefully this helps. If I put it back here in the back and I'm talking and some people are around you, then I might not be able to hear you. So that's pretty much how I test things out on the audio part. See if it's even worth it sometimes. So sometimes it's worth it because there's microphones that actually block this, but this is made for more like a conference room, more like a place that you're going to be loading. So let's go ahead and stop the music. All right, so we're going to be using the microphone a little bit longer. We're going to put it a little louder too, so just make sure that we're getting the maximum of the thing. So this is pretty good if you're going to do Zoom calls, if you're going to do team calls. For crowd control, it might not be a good place. But if you're going to do like a conference room and you have 2 or 3 people, you might be able to use this device. It's very simple. It's very small. I like how tiny it is, and I like that it turns on the light. Now there is no other button to mute it. There's nothing else. They do have the auxiliary 3.5, so you could set up a headset so you can listen to it and see how well it works. But unfortunately, there is no mute button or anything like that. You would have to come to your machine and mute it yourself. I wish they had a little button in front of it so you could actually turn it off and on. But overall, I like the size of it. Very small, very compact, Very easy to use. And if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.